Worker fatalities. The following facts and statistics were obtained using data from a presentation on injury hazards in road and bridge construction, fatal occupational injuries at road construction sites, and census of fatal occupational injuries, unless otherwise noted. Workplace fatalities that occur at a road construction site typically account for 1.5% to 3% of all workplace fatalities annually. Fatality trends. Roadway construction worker fatalities have generally declined since 2005. Fatality causes. The primary causes of worker fatalities in recent years were runover/backovers, often by dump trucks 48%. Collision between vehicles/mobile equipment, 14%. Caught in between/struck by construction equipment and objects, 14%. Runover/backovers. Nearly half of worker fatalities are caused when workers are run over or backed over by vehicles or mobile equipment. More than half of these fatalities were workers struck by construction vehicles. Between 2005 and 2010, runover/backovers were the cause of an average of 48% of worker fatalities. In 2010, runover/backovers were the cause of 43% of worker fatalities, a slight decline from 2009. 46%. For these types of fatalities, between 2003 and 2007, more workers were struck and killed by construction vehicles, 38%, than by cars, vans, and tractor-trailers, 33%. Vehicle collisions. The second most common cause of worker fatalities are collisions between vehicles/mobile equipment. Between 2005 and 2010, this was the cause of an average of 14% of worker fatalities each year. In 2010, this was the cause of 19% of worker fatalities. This is a slight increase from 2009, 16%. Caught in between or struck by object. The third most common cause of worker fatalities are workers caught between or struck by construction equipment and objects. Between 2005 and 2010, this was the cause of an average of 14% of worker fatalities. In 2010, this was the cause of 8% of worker fatalities.